Section 83 of the GST Act, CGST Act, provisional attachment. So, through Finance Act 2021, wide Section 115 of the Finance Act, Section 83 of the CGST Act was amended. Before amendment and after amendment, what are the differences? Just for a small discussion purpose, now we are making this video. Before amendment, the words used in section 83 was where during pendency of any proceedings under section 62, 63, 64, 73, 74, 67, etc. So the difference is before and after amendment is before amendment where during pendency of any proceedings, and now after amendment because subsection 1 of section 83 was substituted. Now after the amendment the words used is where after the initiation of any proceedings. After the initiation of any proceedings. Earlier one is where during pendency of any proceedings. Now the words, the revised words are where after the initiation of any proceedings. Earlier section 62, 63, 64, 67, 67, 73, 74. Now it is enlarged. The scope of the section 83 is enlarged. Now the amended subsection was included. Chapter 12, Chapter 14, and Chapter 15 of the CGST Act or GST Act, whatever it may be. So Chapter 12 it is very popular chapter. It is very popular. Now Chapter 12 is assessment, and Chapter 14 for inspection, search and seizure, and Chapter 15 for demand and recovery. Now the scope of this section is enlarged. The powers of the department also is now wide enough to attach the properties of the provisionally attached the properties of the taxable person, including bank accounts of the taxable person. Now the beauty of the amended section is they have further enlarged the scope and include section 122 subsection 1 capital A also. Subsection 1 capital A speaks about any person who retains the benefit of transactions covered. So generally we are talking about any taxable person, but section 122 1A speaks about any person who retains the benefit of a transaction. So now they want to include the unregistered persons also for the purpose of section 83. Along with registered person, now the department can attach the properties including bank accounts of the unregistered persons also, because subsection 1A of section 122 speaks about any person who retains the benefit or at whose instance such transaction is conducted. So now the scope is fully enlarged. Now the department people can attach provisionally the properties of both registered person as well as unregistered person. This amendment was made through section 115 of the Finance Act 2021, but not yet notified till date. To the best of my knowledge, it is not yet notified. Along with this section 83, section 7 of the CGST Act was amended with retrospective effect from 1/7/17, section 7, and section 50, most interesting topic, most interesting section also for the stakeholders. Now majority of the disputes are being resolved. Section 50 was also amended with retrospective 1/7/17. Along with section 50, schedule 2 also amended. But section 50 is notified already with effect from 1/6/2021. Wide notification number 16, central taxes dated 1/6/21. It is notified, but section 7 and schedule 2 not yet notified. Along with this, section 83 also not notified because of these amendments. Section 7, section 50, section 83, section schedule 2, major amendments along with some other sections also there. These are all the major amendments. One of the best amendment in favor of the government, because already in a landmark judgment in case of Radha Krishna Industries versus State of Himachal Pradesh, Supreme Court already delivered judgment in favor of the dealer. Along with this landmark judgment, other high courts also In many cases, struck down Section 83, the action initiated by the authorities because of the over response of the authorities. The many high courts dismissed the writ petitions and delivered judgment in favor of the revenue. Now the landmark judgment is Radhakrishna Industries versus State of Himachal Pradesh. So this is a landmark judgment delivered in favor of the dealer. The judgment was delivered in the month of April, I think April 21st, like that. So now after the amendment of Section 83, the department officials has got more power. They will if they want to protect the interest of the government revenue, now they can go to chapter 12 and chapter 14, chapter 15 also. Earlier it was only some of the sections, limited to some of the sections like 62 to 73. Now chapter 12, 14 and 15. So kindly go through section 115 of the Finance Act 2021, not yet notified. This is the understanding of the NTRF. Kindly go through the section before and after amendment and frame one proper opinion for the benefit of your clients and other friends. Thank you.